respected chief guest, Mr. O.C. Kalidasan sir, environmentalist, Coimbatore. I would like to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Thamari Selvan sir, advisor, RVS HMC. We welcome you, sir. Mr. K.P. Kannan, Deputy General Manager, sir, AAR, Traffic Management, Airports Authority of India, Coimbatore Airport. We welcome you, sir. Rhythm and grace. To warmly welcome our dignitaries and audience, here is a welcome dance by a talented student, Swati from first year junior.
Chief guest, honored dignitaries, respected principal, honored faculty members, dear parents, and my beloved friends. A warm good evening to all present here. It is indeed a moment of great pride and joy to welcome you all to this college day celebration. Today is a special occasion that celebrates not only the academic excellence, but also the talent, dedication, and the spirit of medical fraternity. I extend a warm, heartfelt welcome to our respected chief guest, Mr. O.C. Kalidasan, environmentalist, member of Tamil Nadu State Board of Wildlife. We have been truly honored by your gracious presence, which had great value and inspiration to all of us. It's my proud and privilege to extend my warm welcome to the guest of honor, Mr. A. Karpura Sundara Pandian, IAS Advisor, RVS Group of Institution, Mr. Pari IPS Retired, Chief Administrative Officer, Dr. B.K. Badri, Advisor to Honorable Chairman, Mr. P.S. Srivalsan, Executive Director, RVS Group of Institution, Mr. Balachandran, Executive Director, and Chief Engineer, Trustee of RVS Homeopathic Medical College. Mr. Shankara Narayanan, Director of Academics, Mr. Kandasamy, CFO, RVS Group of Institution, Mr. Ramesh, CEO, RVS Group of Institution. I also extend my warm welcome to Dr. Thamare Selvan sir and Madhivanan sir, who has been the advisors of RVS Homeopathic Medical College. Despite their busy schedule, they have made time for us. It is a distinct pleasure to welcome our principal, Dr. Pochaselvan sir, whose vision and dedication promises to elevate our college. At this time, also take an immense pleasure to welcome Mr. Kannan, Deputy General Manager, Airport Authority of India, Coimbatore, for this particular session. I also take my gratitude to welcome the principals and staff of different colleges of our institution. I am privileged to welcome all the teaching, non-teaching hospital staffs who have been so enthusiastic, who have been so dedicated, and who have been so committed in conducting this particular occasion. I also welcome the parents of our students whose presence today signifies your unwavering support for making this celebration truly meaningful one. College Day is a time where the moment is becoming memories that remains etched in our hearts. Dear students, this is your day. Let your performance reflect not only your talent, but also the unity and the vibrant spirit of our college. I am delighted to welcome our conducting batch, Eyes and Thrones, for this event. As the meaning symbolizes one for all for one. With their unity, they have made this for us. Once again, I warmly welcome everyone gathered here and wish our College Day celebration a great success. Thank you all.
Special not just because we celebrate achievements, but because we are honored by the presence of an esteemed personality. I now invite Principal Professor Dr. Pochaselvan sir to proceed with the felicitation of our chief guest, Mr. O.C. Kalidasan sir. Sir. Professor Dr. Samaran sir, HOD, Department of Organon of Medicine, to felicitate shawl for Mr. K.P. Kannan, Deputy General Manager, AAR, Traffic Management, Airports Authority of India, Coimbatore Airport. I would like to invite Professor Dr. Smita ma'am, HOD, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. For facilitate, for Dr. Jayashree ma'am, Principal, RVS College.
Professor Dr. Franklin sir to facilitate our Principal Pochaselvan sir.
Institution is a vision that guided forward. I now invite our respected principal, Professor Dr. Pochaselvan sir, to deliver the principal's address and present the annual report.
Good evening. With the blessings of our Honorable Chairman, Dr. K.V. Kuppusamy Ayya, I warmly welcome all the dignitaries on and off the desk, teaching, non-teaching faculties, interns, students to our college day, area 26. Today is a day of great significance as we gather here to celebrate RVS Homeopathy Medical College Day. It is an occasion that holds a special place in our heart as it allows us to reflect on the journey, achievements and the future of our medical college. At the outset, I like to state that RVS Homeopathy Medical College and Hospital is a premier institution for impairing the homeopathic education in India under RVS Group of Institutions, established in the year of 2001 by our Honorable Chairman, Dr. K.V. Kuppusamy Ayya. It is approved and recognized by Ministry of Ayush and the National Council of Homeopathy, New Delhi, and Tamil Nadu Dr. M.G.R. Medical University, Chennai. RVS HMC, located in Coimbatore, is spread over 200 acres, guarded by the scenery beauty, has attained a role of holistic education right from the start. At present, we are in the 25th year since the inception and process of celebrating Silver Jubilee of our institution. Our vision is to train expert homeopathy doctor who will be ambassador of our rich culture and tradition. It is to provide value-based medical education in homeopathy aimed at molding homeopaths capable of proficient and competent in patient care, dedicated to the needy and the poor, and propagate homeopathy, a safe, simple, scientific, economic and effective medicine for all. Our mission to develop this institution as a center of excellence in homeopathic education and research, to impart best service to the society, to become a part and parcel of national healthcare system, to showcase the strength and wealth of our alternative and complementary medical system to the modern world. I stand before you today with immense pride and gratitude that we are able to achieve our vision and mission statement because of the collective dedication, hard work and passion of every individual associated with it. Over the years, our medical college has grown from strength to strength thanks to the relentless pursuit of excellence by our faculties, staff and students. Our commitment to providing top-notch medical education and healthcare services has resulted in a legacy of excellence that we are proud to uphold. The numerous accolades, research breakthroughs and successful alumni are the testament to the caliber of our institution. I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to our faculties and staff members whose tireless effort and unwavering dedication have been the cornerstone of our success. Their passion for teaching, mentoring and guiding our students is truly commendable. They are the driving force behind the transparent education that our students receive. The Tamil Nadu Dr. M.G.R. Medical Examination result of the last academic year: first BHMS 93%, second BHMS 100%, third BHMS 100%, fourth BHMS 98%. We have conducted 4 continuing medical education programs in past 6 months. 21/8/2025 by Dr. Rajamanikam MD Homeopathy, 11/10/2025 Dr. Amudan, 25/10/2025 Dr. Subi, 28/11/2025 Dr. Madhivanan. Sir, our students have attended 18 RISE webinars conducted by Central Council of Research in Homeopathy. Professor Dr. myself, Professor Sanmodivel, Professor Prasanna Devi participated in World Homeopathic Day 2025 celebration at conference organized by CCRH and NIH in Gujarat. Professor Dr. Santosh, head of the Department of Anatomy, he appointed as a chairperson of RVS HMC for competency-based dynamic curriculum under National Council of Homeopathy. Chief Superintendent of Examination in RVS Homeopathy College under the Tamil Nadu Dr. M.G.R. University. Professor Dr. Sanmodivel, head of the Department of Case Taking Repertory, is appointed as a faculty of homeopathy in Tamil Nadu Dr. M.G.R. University, Chennai. He is appointed as a nodal officer of anti-racking unit for RVS HMC under National Council of Homeopathy. Professor Dr. Prasanna Devi, Head of the Department of OBG, appointed as a doctoral committee external member for PhD scholars homeopathy in Vinayak Mission Research Foundation, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Professor Dr. Prasanna Devi is shortlisted by Kerala Public Commission for appointment as a professor in Department of OBG. Professor Dr. R.R. Karthikeyan, Head of the Department of Community Medicine, nominated as a member, expert committee for community medicine, research methodology and biostatics under the Homeopathic Education Board, National Commission for Homeopathy. Appointed as a doctoral committee, external member for PhD scholars homeopathy in Vinayak Mission Research Foundation, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Presented a paper, Role of Environmental Factor in Alteration of our Vital Dynamics on 2011-2025 during the PhD induction program conducted by the Department of Arnan at Salakrishna Medical College, Kulasegaram. Published a research article and in vitro study on antibiotic activity of Calendula officinalis Q 30C and 200C in Staphylococcus aureus gram-positive and Pseudomonas aeruginosa gram-negative bacteria in homeopathic heritage, September 2025. Guest speaker on 8/9/2025 delivered a lecture on mental health and drug abuse during the induction program for freshers at RVS College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Online session in homeopathy 360, BJN group, doubt clearing master class for university examination, appearing student in community medicine on 4/7/2025. Speaker webinar in homeopathy 360, BJN group 1, role of homeopathic medicine in removal of renal calculi without surgery on 16/11/2025. Invited speaker for Indian Homeopathic Medical Association, Coimbatore, chapter on scope of homeopathy, polylithiasis on 22/11/2025. Professor Dr. Renu, Head of the Department, Practice of Medicine, is appointed as a nodal officer of internal complaint cell for RVS HMC under National Commission of Homeopathy. Professor Dr. Samran, Head of the Department, Arnan of Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy. Professor Dr. Samran was invited as resource person in CME for teaching faculties of Arnan of Medicine in MPI Homeopathic Medical College, Jaipur, Rajasthan on 20th September 2025, sponsored by National Commission of Homeopathy, Ministry of Ayush. Professor Dr. Samran is awarded a best teacher in Arnan of Medicine by All India Homeopathic Student Youth Association on 27th September 2025. Appointed as a doctoral advisory committee member for PhD scholars, homeopathy in Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Appointed as a doctoral committee external member for PhD scholars, homeopathy in Vinayak Mission Research Foundation, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Appointed as a question paper setter, examiner for PhD scholars, homeopathy in Yenapoya University, Mangalore. Finalist and invited speaker in national seminar, Homeos Malabaricus 2025 on 18th May 2025 in Malappuram, organized by IHK. Guest speaker for webinar on the topic, Exploring the Role of Homeopathy in Surgical Cases, organized by All India Homeopathic Student and Youth Association on 27/2025. Speaker on the topic, Introduction to Homeopathy, a holistic system of medicine in the BSc and MSc nursing student of KMCH College of Nursing, Coimbatore on 8/10/2025. Resource person on the topic, Introduction of Homeopathy, a holistic system of medicine in house surgeons MBBS of Kovai Medical College Hospital, Coimbatore on 27/8/2024. Published article, Individualized Management of Trigeminal Cyst A case study in the Journal of Indian Medicine Homeopathy, published by the Director of Indian Medicine Homeopathy, Government of Tamil Nadu. Invited speaker on the topic, Constitutional and anti-miasmatic treatment, potential selection and repetition in PhD induction program conducted by the Department of Arnan of Medicine at Salakrishna Medical College, Kulasegaram. Professor Dr. Liraja, Head of the Department of Pathology, is appointed as a nodal officer of University Management System and Extended Technology Acceptance Models Unit for RVS HMC under Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Professor Dr. Sakti, Department of Casting and Repertory, presented a webinar, Utility of BPCR in knee osteoarthritis on 15/9/2025, organized by All India Homeopathic Students and Youth Association. Dr. Sumita, Associate Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine, is appointed as a nodal officer of Swachhata Hi Seva for RVS HMC under Government of India. He is appointed as a member of Internal Complaint Cell, Women Empowerment Committee for RVHMC under National Commission of Homeopathy. Professor Dr. Genesis, Associate Professor, Department of Casting and Repertory, promoted as a professor, the Department of Repertory from January 2026. He is appointed as Nodal Officer of Aadhaar Enabled Biometric Attendance System for RVHMC under National Commission of Homeopathy. Published an article in Journals of Neonatal Surgery, Integrated Homeopathic Approach using LM potency for endocrine and allergic disorder in August 2025. Dr. V.M. Suridi, Associate Professor, Department of OBG, she has been bestowed Medical Excellence Award in 2025 for teaching faculty by All India Homeopathic Students and Youth Association. Resource person on the topic Introduction to Homeopathy, a holistic system of medicine to the House Surgeon MBBS of Koi Medical College Hospital, Coimbatore on 21/8/2025. Guest speaker for the webinar on the topic Polycystic Syndrome and its Homeopathic Management, organized by All India Homeopathic Students and Youth Association on 25/8/2025. Dear students, you are the heartbeat of the institution. Your curiosity, perseverance, and compassion inspire us all. Each day, you step into our classroom, clinics, and labs with a commitment to learn, to grow, and to make a difference in the world of healthcare. Your achievement, both in academics and extracurricular activities, continue to make us proud. Short-term studentship in homeopathy, approved by CCRH, STSH research by student, such Sudarsini, guided by Dr. Prasanna Devi, Kavya, guided by Dr. Franklin Gino, Meenakshi, guided by Dr. Kadiravan, Soumya Begum, guided by Anjan Jabba, Sakti Varsni, guided by Dr. Ilayaraja. Mr. Abarna allegation published an article in Homeopathic Heritage and in vitro study of anti-biofilm activity of calendar officinal Q30 and 200C in Streptococcus aureus, gram-negative, gram-positive, and Pseudomonas aureus of gram-negative bacteria in September 2025, under the guidance of Professor Dr. Karthikeyan. Our commitment, the patient care, is unwavering. Our hospital and clinics have not only served as a center of medical excellence, but also as a pillar of support for our communities. We have continuously worked towards providing the best care and treatment to those in need of our community. Outreach initiatives have made a tangible difference in the lives of many. Our medical camp, health education program, and outreach clinics have brought healthcare closer to those who need it the most. We have reopened Peripheral Outpatient Department, adopting 5 villages, Kadambadi, Muttagandambudur, Karingampalayam, Karanambattai, and Sauripalayam. We have a memorandum of understanding with the Multi-Specialty Hospital for teaching students on the basis of conventional medicine. Ponni Hospital, Palladam, Sheila Hospital, Coimbatore, Sri Shiva Hospital, Coimbatore, PHC, Palladam. Conducted free medical camp and expo in around Coimbatore, 13/9/2025 and 14/9/2025 Union Bank Property Fair and Nalam Health Expo at Kodisia, 8/10/2025 free medical camp at Avinash Lingam University, Coimbatore, 14/11/2025 on behalf of World Diabetes Day. Department of Community Medicine, RVS Medical College and Hospital conducted free blood sugar checkup camp in RVS College of Engineering and Technology campus. 1/12/2025 World AIDS Day awareness rally conducted by Department of OBG in RVS Medical College. Department of Homeopathic Pharmacy, the first PHM students visited Father Miller Pharmacopoeia Laboratory, Mangalore, and Alva's Medical Plant Garden, Mudubari, on August 2025. Department of Forensic Medicine, the students of second PHMS had their Coimbatore Magistrate Court visit on 19 September 2025 to observe the legal procedures. They also had their autopsy visit from 3rd December to 20th December 2025 at the ESI Hospital College, ESI Medical College and Hospital, Coimbatore. Department of Community Medicine, on 28/10/2025, 3rd and final year student industrial visit to the Avin Milk Pasteurization Unit. On 12/12/2025, 3rd and final year student industrial visit to water purification plant, Welling Garden. PhD doctors, our faculties, Professor Dr. Prasanna Devi, Dr. Karthikeyan, Dr. Samran, Dr. Ilayaraja are PhD doctors. We are happy to state that our is the only college, Tamil Nadu, to have 4 PhD doctors. 6 faculties, Professor Dr. Franklin Gino, Professor Dr. Sakti, Dr. Genesis, Dr. Bhartadarathi, Dr. Kadiravan, Dr. Suridhi are pursuing their PhD. NEET test eligibility, NEET teachers eligibility test, Professor Dr. Prasanna Devi, Professor Dr. Samran, Dr. Kadiravan, Arul Jyoti, Bhartadarathi, Genesis, Suridhi, Arjun, Arafat, Angeline, Asa Prasad, Deepika, and Arnesari have passed national teachers eligibility test conducted by National Testing Agency, Government of India. But as we celebrate our achievement, we must not forget that there is still much work to be done. The field of medicine is ever evolving, and we must keep pace with the changes, striving for the best patient care, the most innovative research, and the most inclusive community engagement. I would like to thank our students, who are the future of this noble profession, for choosing this path, for their unwavering commitment. I commend our faculty and staff for their dedication and hard work. I extend my gratitude to our alumni who continue to be an ambassador of our institution, making us proud with their accomplishments. On this college day, let us reinform our commitment to excellence, empathy, and progress. Let us look forward to the future, where our institution continues to set benchmark for medical education, healthcare, and research. Thank you all for being part of the celebration. Together, we will continue to make positive impact on the world homeopathic medicine, and together we will write brighter than healthier future. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the evening.